Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely yam balls. Stay tuned and let's move right into the video. So the first thing I'll do is to make breadcrumbs. I'll leave a link in the description box that will lead you to a video where I showed how I made my breadcrumbs. So if you want to learn, you can just click on the link and it will take you there. So I have my nicely peeled yams here, and what I'll do is I'll cut them into very small pieces so that they can cook very fast. So I'll add salt to taste and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. So I normally prick the yam with a fork just to see if it's ready. And as we can see, our yam is ready. I'll leave it to cool down for about 5 minutes and then I'll add it to a mixing bowl. So I changed the bowl because it's a lot, alright? So with the help of a fork, I'll just break it down a little and then mash it with a wood masher. So this is how it will look like. It doesn't have to be very smooth. Now I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of margarine. Yeah, just a little to bring out the aroma. If you add a lot, it might absorb a lot of oil when you fry. So I'll mix that very well, and then I'll go ahead and add all my vegetables. So I have spring onions, green bell pepper, and carrots. So I'll be spicing with some powdered chili pepper. So at this point, I'll add the milk little by little because we don't want it to become very soft, okay? So I'll go ahead and roll it in my palm until I get the perfect ball shape I want. At this point, we'll be doing the egg wash. So I'll first drop it into the flour, and then I'll go ahead and drop it into the egg and milk mixture. Yes, I'm using a spoon because I don't want to use the same hand I'm using for the dry ingredients for the wet ingredients. Okay, so after the egg wash, I'll just drop it into the breadcrumbs, and I'll repeat the process for all the yam balls. I've preheated my oil, so now I'll go ahead and fry the yam balls. Please bear in mind that the yam has been already cooked, so we won't be frying it for long.